right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1987 Chevy Silverado. As you know, this was the last year for the box body style before they changed into a more modern style truck. This one includes power steering, power brakes, tilt steering, very nice horn, factory AC with the factory radio, nice, very nice, clean white exterior with a red interior, bench seat, which is the best part about this, so you can fit more than just 2 people in your truck. In fact, let's show you how good the brakes actually are before believing what I say. Very good. Even when we grab on it, you can hear she's got a nice sound to her. No misfiring, no spits in the carb. The power windows work. I can't roll them up now because I'm driving. But it mostly has a lot of its factory specialties with this truck. It is always stored, kept clean. And yeah, very, very nice box truck. Back when Chevy had really nice vehicles. But anyway, we're going to turn her around, get her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.